Waiting on my wife. Mmm. It's really soft when you bite it. Mmm. Oh! Oh! On my way, my love. My wife is calling me. Oh wow, what is this, guys? Oh wow. Mmm. Some fried egg, white rice, and some green beans. Mmm. Wife of the year. You gonna eat right here, babe, or what? Hmm?
I don't know what's the taste of that one. I haven't tasted it.
For real? Thank you. Mmm. Wow. Oh shit, I got it. Let me get some vinegar. Got my little Coke, y'all. So I can wash down the greatness right here. Man. This is just, put some vinegar in there. Vinegar on the rice, the white vinegar. Well, this is one of them, the Chow Master. But there's other brands, Silver Swan. Man, vinegar on the white rice, it just busting. Mmm. Oh my god. So delicious. I was zoomed in a little bit. Look at this. Mmm. Put a little more vinegar. Mmm. Green beans. There's a little bit of potato. Mmm. It's rich in flavor. It has good condiments. Mmm. The rice is fresh, nice and hot. Mmm. Soft. Coca-Cola, the Philippines. Mm. The Coke from the Philippines is no different